Good morning, my dear students. This week we are going to start a new lesson. We are going to see a new story in your supplementary reader. The name of the lesson is The Friendly Mongoose, Chapter 2. Students, let me give a short meaning of what is meant by mongoose. A mongoose is a small animal with fur that lives in hot countries. It kills snakes, rats, etc. Okay, it is a kind of animal that usually fights with snakes and rats. In our upcoming lessons, we have a detailed version of this fight between mongoose and snake that we will learn in future. In this lesson, we are going to see how a mongoose served as a loyal pet in a family. Let us get into the story. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. They decided to have a pet with them. One day, farmer told about his decision to his wife so that they could have a pet and that pet also grows along with their son. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose. Okay? They thought both this mongoose and our son will be growing up together. So, sure, this mongoose will serve as a good companion for our son. What is meant by companion, my dears? It is a person or animal with whom you spend a lot of time or go somewhere. Okay? In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Okay, like animals, we will not grow too fast, right? So the mongoose, baby mongoose, grew very fast, but the baby is still sleeping in the cradle. What is meant by cradle? It is a small bed for babies. Here we have described the appearance of mongoose, how it looks. It has two shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Its tail will be very bushy. Okay. So the farmer's son was sleeping in the cradle and he is crying alternately. Alternately means with two things continually following and succeeded by each other. He is crying and another time he is sleeping. He is doing both things alternatively. As the baby was crying continuously, the farmer's wife fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. The farmer's wife wants to go to the market to buy some groceries. So she told her husband to look after the child and she is not willing to leave her child along with the little mongoose because she is not trusting on that little pet animal. The farmer said that you don't need to be afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal. So it is as sweet as our baby. You don't need to worry about it. You can go for your work. So by hearing this, the wife got convinced and she also went away from that place. And the farmer had nothing to do with the home. He went to look after his field. On the way, he met his friends too. So the farmer took more time on returning back to home. By this time, his wife, who went to market, came back to home and she found the mongoose sitting outside of their home awaiting for her return. On seeing her, the mongoose ran to welcome her as was customary. What is meant by customary? It means as usual. As usual, the little mongoose ran to welcome the farmer's wife. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood!" she cried. The mongoose mouth is full of blood. So she screamed like anything. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. It is flowing with blood completely. And she is scolding the mongoose, "You wicked animal!" What is the meaning of wicked? Wicked means morally bad or evil. Okay, it is a bad thing. She thought that the mongoose have killed her baby. She screamed hysterically. Hysterically means with wildly uncontrolled emotions. Okay, because she thought that the mongoose have killed her baby. So she was screaming hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. She was beating the little mongoose with her basket full of groceries. Okay, and she struck the mongoose with all her strength. Then she went inside her house to see her child. The child was still fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Now the farmer's wife had realized what had happened actually. The mongoose have saved her child's life and killed the snake. She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. She is crying now a lot, thinking of the mongoose, but the little mongoose is dead already. She was staring at the mongoose for a long time. Then, after hearing her child's voice, she ran back to feed him. So, what do you understand from this lesson, my dears? Don't be hasty in taking decisions. We should not take any important decisions too fast or in an urgent. Then it will not be fine at all. We should not make a decision with excessive speed or urgency. So don't make decisions hastily is the moral of the story, The Friendly Mongoose, my dears. Hope you all understood this story and liked it. Thank you all.